Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
Good morning students. Today we are going to study about characteristics of solid waste. So what are the characteristics of solid waste? We can classify it into two types. First one is physical, second one is chemical. What are the physical characteristics of solid waste and chemical characteristics of solid waste? So we come under physical. Density of waste, then moisture content, then size of waste, then calorific value. These are comes under physical classification of waste. First one is density. We all know that density is defined as moisture by volume. Density means mass by volume. How much amount of waste we are collected and how much quantity, and the waste collected vehicles can carry only 4 times. The weight of waste is compacted then in uncompacted. Why we are collecting, some changes will occur from sources to disposal. The changes among because of handling, wetting, drying and vibration of collection. Next one is moisture content. Moisture content is defined as the ratio of weight of water to the total wet weight of water, and the moisture will increase the weight of solid content, and the ratio of solid content is 20 to 40 if it is greater than 40%. Next one is size of the waste. It is important parameters in physical while separating the size of important, because in design of mechanical separator and waste treatment process, that size of moisture important. Next one is calorific value. The calorific value is amount of heat generation. Next one is chemical characteristics. The chemical characteristics, we are having some types. First one is toxic, where it lipid. Next one is carbohydrates. Next protein. Next natural fiber. Next plastic. Next biochemical. Last one is non-composition. Any this or comes under chemical characteristics. The chemical characteristics like pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, total carbon, nitrogen ratio, calorific value. These are the chemical which are present in the chemical characteristics. Next one is biochemical. There is one which is present in the chemical characteristics which present in waste, which include carbohydrates, protein, natural fiber, biodegradable waste. It will biodegradable the particles which are present in waste. Next one is toxic. It is very dangerous. It is present in the solid waste. Many chemicals reaction will take place. It is very toxic from the environment as well. These particles present in solid waste and having metal like pesticide, insecticide, etc. are present in waste. Next one is liquid. In solid state, the liquid is in liquid content because of high temperature. Next one is carbohydrates. The carbohydrates mainly found in food waste which increase sugar and polymerase of sugar and static etc. and the waste which are present in the environmental which will be attraction by flies and rat etc. And then next is protein which are compensate, carbonate, hydrogen oxide and nitrogen and of an organic acid which is unpleasant odor and mainly found in food waste. Next one is natural fiber which is mainly found in paper, and paper produce waste as well as in food and yard waste. Next one is plastic, highly resistant to biodegradation. It will biodegradable easily while heating the plastic. It will produce gases. Next one is non-compostable. These includes glasses, ceramic, metals, ash, etc. and it is not easily biodegradable. Thank you.